Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to change and create user agents in Android using via browser. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. User agents tell websites what kind of device and browser we are using. We can change them and make the websites load in different forms, let it be mobile or desktop. By this, we can unlock hidden features and improve the compatibility. To do this, we have to first download and install the Via Browser app. This is available on Google Play Store for free. Via Browser is a lightweight browser with features like ad block, data saving, etc. Using this, we can change the user agent and create new ones as well. Let's see the steps for that now. So after downloading and installing, we can open the Via Browser. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. Then we have to select the hamburger menu at the bottom. Go to Tools here. Then go to User Agent. Here we can see the list of user agents available. We can select the one we want. So that's all we have to do. Suppose if you want to create custom user agents, then we can go to this website, Device Atlas, and it will have this big list of user agents. I will share this link in the description along with other useful videos. So we can use the search option to search for the device you want. I'm going to search for S21 Ultra, my current smartphone. And we can copy this. And we can keep it ready. Now we can go to the Via Browser. Go to this hamburger menu. Go to Settings. Then go to General at the top. Go to User Agent. And here we will have the plus option at the top. Select that. Here we can paste the user agent that we copied from that website. We can enter a title. I'll just enter the phone name. That's all. We can save this. Now here we can see the S21 Ultra phone device. We can select this if we want. Also we can delete this by long pressing this. That's all. So now we can change the user agent by going to this hamburger menu. Tools, user agent, we can select the device we want. Suppose if we want S21 Ultra, we can select that and it will reflect on the screen. And suppose if we want to go to any desktop version like macOS, it will do the same thing. We can see the desktop version here. That's all. These are the steps to change and create user agents in Android using Via Browser. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.